Various business platforms offer career assistance services in the market today, but they are all focused on white-collar employment, and the market is saturated. LinkedIn is the market leader in this space. This has left an opening for career services in the trade services market. With your old business model, we have seen what skill sets are out there and how they relate to certain job functions. There are 5 main business actions to consider. First, as mentioned, the business will focus on trade services career opportunities. These types of professions include electricians, plumbers, and the like. The decision is based on 2 primary market facts. First, LinkedIn has a stronghold on the white-collar job market. It would be difficult and unwise to compete with them in this space. Second, the trade service job market is underserviced. Many trade employment positions are going unfilled with not enough qualified applications in the workforce. This is a shame when many Americans are losing their jobs in declining industries. The current trade services workforce is aging with not enough people to backfill the positions. Facilitating employment participation in these jobs would put us in a position to control the supply to a market where demand is going to outpace supply for years to come. The second action is to convert our knowledge base of employee resumes into a database of skills and experiences. This provides a baseline for what jobs any given employee can do. For example, with skills in electrical wiring and electrical systems, they may be qualified for positions in the electrician job market. In a similar fashion, the third action is to have job postings listed for open positions. These jobs will also be linked to skills to show which ones are required for employment. The idea here is to list the skills required for jobs in the same nomenclature and even in the same location as the skills possessed by our employee base. This opens opportunities for our fourth and fifth business actions. We will analyze the skills required for these jobs and aggregate them within specific companies and industries. This analysis will allow us to summarize what employers are looking for when they hire certain trade workers. Let's say an employee is looking to break into the electrician workforce within commercial construction. Using our database, we can look specifically at that job market and establish which skills are vital to be considered for employment. This can even further be broken down to a specific company that an employee wants to target or be left broad for greater flexibility. Finally, these efforts will allow us to recommend training to employees for skills that they may be lacking. The main next step here is to begin tracking training opportunities and what skills they train. Then, when an employee is lacking a certain skill that is preventing them from entering a certain job market, we can point them to the closest training facility certified for that skill. All in all, this connects 3 primary parties in the trade service job market: employees, employers, and trainers. Employees will want to use our services to find new jobs. We provide a pathway for job seekers to enter a job market that is underserviced. By analyzing our database records, we can answer important questions that employees have, such as: what are the basic characteristics, experience level, education level, skills required of any job posting? Or how do I compare with other applicants for any given job posting? Employers will use us to find employees that are difficult to find. We can certify that our job seekers are proficient in the skills necessary to be hired for a specific job. Some questions we can answer for them include: what are the current trends of labor markets in specific job functions or roles? Or what is the average salary expectation for a given role? Finally, training centers and educational facilities will be interested in having a relationship with us. We will provide referrals to their programs. Questions we can consider here include: what are the services that employers are seeking the most? Or what skills do employees need the most? In the end, this means 3 potential revenue sources for us. We will now review the specific data model required to facilitate these operations. This is the entity relationship diagram outlining how the database will be structured. The main entities being connected are employees, skills, jobs, companies, industries, and trainers. The main purpose of this data model is to link employees and jobs with skills. Employees will be listed with their basic information such as name, contact info, and location. In addition, they will have target companies, industries, and functions, such as an electrician or a plumber, which lists what their goals are during their career search. Job titles are the actual jobs that people can apply to. They are posted by a specific company and connected to certain industries. This line of entities will help segment opportunities for the employees and find exactly what they are looking for. The key to our business proposition is the employee and the job title connection to skills. They are connected to the same skills table, so it will be easy to compare employee skill sets with job skill requirements. This linkage is crucial to our analysis. Employees who match job skills are eligible for employment. However, those who do not will know what skills they are lacking. This brings the final entity into consideration: trainers. Training and educational resources will be vetted and certified to provide training on specific skills. If an employee is missing one or more skills that will help them get a job, we can match them with the services to get them certified. In the long run, companies can also see which employees are close to qualified for a certain position and subsidize the training for that specific employee. With this new business approach, we can stand out in the human resources field.